Hi everyone, this is just a quick help video about the journal assignments that you'll find in my courses. These are in many ways the most basic assignments that I'm going to ask you to provide. They're supposed to be pretty quick. They shouldn't really take you much more than 15 minutes, half an hour if you're going into a little more detail. And basically it's a way just for you to communicate with me how the course is going for you. It's a way for me to be aware of any issues that you're encountering in the course. It's a way for me to help you. It's a way for you to communicate with me. So you can see here, and this is going to be pretty typical. We're going to have two questions typically, sometimes one question, typically two questions. And in order to begin, it's a text entry. You'll just hit start entry, and then you'll begin typing in your responses. The rubric is very basic. As long as you are engaging with the question, as long as you're trying to answer the question, as long as you use coherent English and coherent sentences, then you're going to receive full credit. So this is how the journals work. As I say, they're very simple and straightforward assignments. They're there in order to help me and you build a learning relationship with one another. So I encourage you just to be honest and open about any struggles that you're encountering in the course. I'm here to help you. This is a venue in which you can express any difficulties that you're encountering, but also anything that you're especially enjoying or finding especially rewarding. I am always interested to hear what students are finding rewarding. It helps me to include more of that material in the new courses I build or the old courses that I revise. So this is the help video for journals, and I hope it's been useful.